Jamaican government's great downplay of farmers. Welcome back to the bulletin board, where polished PR dies and rooted truth rises. Let's talk about the ones they ignore until election season, the ones who feed nations while barely feeding their own families. The farmers. Government after government sings praises, cuts ribbons, and makes promises wrapped in dirt-stained photo ops. But behind the podiums, the treatment tells the truth. Farming isn't a priority, it's a performance. Ask yourself, where is the flat-rate water access? Where is the subsidized land prep, the affordable tools, the irrigation that actually works? Where is the tractor when the cameras go home? They downplay the farmer's role because they know what farming means: land, independence, and unshakable power outside the state's control. Meanwhile, their policies are shaped not by the needs of the land, but by the whispers of Western interests. Interests that see our soil not as sacred, but as an untapped asset, just waiting to be stripped. Who teaches our leaders how to behave? Who taught them that land ownership is dangerous? That feeding the people is less important than feeding foreign markets? Every time a small farmer goes unsupported, that's not an oversight, it's orchestration. Because a farmer with land and tools becomes a citizen with power and no need to beg for scraps. But here's what they didn't plan for. People are waking up. Backyards are growing bold. Pumpkin patches are paying bills. Corn plots are outpacing contracts. And the soil, as always, is still waiting for the right hands to reclaim it. So, to the policymakers still dancing around the truth, we see the downplay. And we're done playing. The farmer isn't a backdrop. The farmer is the blueprint.